Today, back on the Premier carriage lanterns, 20 set. We're going to give them a little bit of refurbishment, brighten up the colours with some bulb paint, and hopefully bring them back to their former glory. So, unfortunately there are no pink lights on these. It's just green, blue, red and yellow, but that's okay. It's going to be an easy enough task. We're going to have to get them out the box first though, to make things easier. Shades are already falling off. The sequence of these lights I think is already out of whack, so when done they should be in a better sequence. And we still have a spare bulb there, and a spare bulb there, considering how well worn the box is. So we need to get all those shades off first. Okay, so we've got 5 of each colour, 5 yellow, 5 blue, 5 red, 5 green, totaling 20. Now we just need to untangle these a little bit. Start removing our bulbs. These do have a fuse bulb in them. Braiding isn't too bad on these, still nice and taut. These will look nice on a green tree. The cable's quite dark, so it should blend in quite well. I have noticed that these kind of cables blend in better than the earlier lights that have the lighter colour translucent. That actually stands out quite a bit on some Christmas trees, which is interesting. So there's our sad looking set of lights with no bulbs, no shades. So we need to have yellow bulbs. Fuse bulb is going to go into the yellow pile. So the yellow bulbs are in place and the fuse bulb is in with the yellows for obvious reasons, but we have an extra yellow, so that's obviously been mixed in somewhere else. Next up we've got blue, and we've got red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 red. So Mr. Yellow joins in. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. So that was seemingly just the little difference. An extra yellow plus the fuse bulb, making the colours mixed up a little bit. It's not going to take much to fix these. I don't think the yellow need any work. The blues are bad with banding, so I might just scrape off the banding and add blue in the middle. I'll leave the rest, and then the reds and the greens can just get a little once over. I don't think these need a full scrape down. If it's an exposed bulb that you're going to see, I would more than likely scrape the paint off. I think I'll just give these a once over with the paint over the top. The only thing is the original paint can react with the new paint and make it bubble, but you're not going to see these inside the shade, so I'm going to have a little bit of an easier paint session with these. You're just going to get edited highlights on this one, so if you want a more fully comprehensive guide, you can check out the video where we do this properly. So this is all I'm going to do to the blue bulbs. I've just scraped off the faded band in the middle where it was going yellow, and we'll just give that a little bit of a brush with the blue paint and keep the rest of the blue. And that's all we're going to need on our blue bulbs. Right, so I'll get the rest of these done and I'll come back to you when that's all finished. So they've all had a good coat now. Greens got a redo, the reds got a redo, the blues got the banding scraped off and bulb painted up, and we're all good to go. Just going to plug the lights in. I'm just going to start with the let me get back there. Start with the fuse bulb. at the end. I'm going to do yellow, blue, red and green. You don't need to sit and watch all this, so we'll come back to it. And there's our end one. We'll tray away. And hopefully, if I put this last one in, the set will come alive again. And there we have it. All nice, vivid, dark colours. Now we've just got to put our shades back on. Catch you back in a minute. That's all the shades put back on. So, got our blue, no longer faded. Our red, nice and vivid. The green. And the yellow. That's the fuse bulb one, which isn't on properly. There's the fuse bulb one. Right, let's get them put back in the box. There's a quick comparison. Right, that's them boxed up. Can't really see them, but there's another set ready to go, ready to serve a few more years. There we are. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you on the next one.